Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your coupons on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon next to the navigation button at the bottom of the screen. And new, click to the coupon icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can check your coupons. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.